Did y'all have to play detective for Walgreens like I did? So we got this fun tiered spend booster for like a digital one, right? I have spend 25, get 5, spend 50, get 10, right? Clipped it, tried to do some online orders to just to like play around and everything to make sure some digital coupons came off, but that didn't apply. And I couldn't figure out why. I went back, didn't say anything specific until I went online on my laptop to the Walgreens website to look at it. Because I was like, maybe it's something with my phone. And let me try like the actual website instead of just using the app. Then I find out it's for Halloween decorations, which makes sense because I had the Only For You with Spend Booster as well. And I was like, why do I have two different ones? It was a little confusing, but Walgreens is not being nice. To be honest, like, unless you literally went on the website to look at that spend booster more, you didn't know what you had. And I can only imagine how many people are did a deal and didn't get the Walgreens cash, and they're really confused, especially if they used the app only. Anyway, we're outside the Walgreens. If you haven't guessed it, we have some phenomenal deals going on. And like I said, I have a Only For You, I think it's been 45, get 10. I don't know, depending on my stock of my store, I may or may not do it. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Y'all know I'm currently sick, so if you hear me smacking on cough drops, you mind your own business. I am feeling better than yesterday, but not perfectly 100% yet, so we're just rolling with it. It may not be a printable breakdown. Like, yes, I didn't get one for CVS, so I'm sorry. I just didn't have the energy, so we'll see how much energy I have left at the end of the day. But without further ado, let's head inside and see what kind of deals we can grab. Right now we have a pretty decent deal on Dove body wash or Dove bar soap. It's on the 4-count box. They are part of their promotion, buy 2 get $2 in Walgreens cash, and they're on sale for $6. So you'll grab a total of 2 of them for $12. We have a $4 digital coupon, so you'll pay $8 at the register, get the $2 in Walgreens cash, making them buy 1 get 1 free, or $6 for both, or $3 a pack. There's a really good deal on Nexus products if you like Nexus. They are on promotion, spend 20, get $10 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $16. So some of these are originally almost $20, so that's decent savings to begin with. But you're going to grab whatever 2 products you like. Your total will be $32. We have a $10 off of 2 digital coupons, so you pay $22, get the $10 register reward for buying or spending the $20, making them $12 per bottle. So it's way cheaper than buy 1 get 1 free. Hot deal on L'Oreal Elvive. They are on promotion 2 for $10. So on the tag, you'll see this less coupon on 2 is the store coupon we have for $3. And a friendly reminder, if you're using spend boosters, this $3 won't count towards your spend booster, but it will stack with a $3 manufacturer coupon, so we'll get a total of $6 taken off both, making them $4 for both a shampoo, conditioner, or whatever 2 you grab. Dove shampoo conditioner are on promotion, buy 2 get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. So you're going to grab a total of 2 of them for $10. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon, so you pay $6 at the register, but we'll get a $5 register reward for buying 2, making them $1 for both bottles, or 50 cents a bottle. My store finally changed the tags for the Pampers, which makes me happy. So Pampers are 2 for $21, and when you buy 2, you'll get $4 in register rewards. So you'll grab whatever 2 you like, the Swaddlers, the 360 Baby Dry, or the Easy Ups. We have a $3 digital coupon, so you pay $18, get the $4 register reward, making them 2 for $14. So that's our normal price, but that's a great way to hike up your spend booster to get to that $45 mark in my scenario. So you can add extra savings to these if you need to. Right now, Colgate products are on promotion. Buy two, get $5 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $5. You'll grab two of them for $10, so two tubes of toothpaste. We did get new Colgate coupons this week, so we did get a new $4 digital coupon, so you'll be left to pay $6. We'll get the $5 register reward for grabbing two, making them $1 for both. We do have a different promotion going on for buy two, get three, where you can use, I think it's the mouthwash and the toothbrush new coupons that we got. My store is already out, but it looks like these were really, really good clearance. So it's on a Vicks cold, severe cold. Like, I think it was probably something like this, but in a Vicks form. I'm not sure. Or this one. This one's not the best, but it looks like it was like the same thing almost. I'm not sure. Also, it looks like there was an Walgreens immune. So it was a Walgreens brand one. $3.29. I think that would be a great deal. All right, there's two clearance finds my store actually has. The first one is on this Zarbee's cough syrup. It's on clearance for $1.99. Or this, I don't know how to say that. Not going to try. It's on clearance for $1.49. I think that's a really good savings as well. Y'all know this is my favorite deal. Buy one, $2.79. Sandwich, storage, baggies, whatever you need. You'll get two free. So you can mix and match, grab a total of three of them for less than $1 per box. So right now, select medium-sized Gain products are buy two, get $4 in register rewards, and they're on sale for $9.99. So you can grab something like these Gain Flings, or you can grab the Gain Liquids. They are $9.99. Or you can grab this 240 count dryer sheets for $9.99. Or you can grab this 2.27 quart softener, or the last option is this Gain Scent Booster. They're the 12.2 ounce one for $9.99. For this example, these would be the two products I would grab. My total will be $19.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the liquid, a $3 digital coupon for the flings. So a total of $6 would come off. We'd be left to pay $13.98 at the register. We'll get the $4 register reward for buying two, making them $9.98 for both. Now, depending on what you grab, not depending, actually, we have a $3 digital coupon for everything that I showed you. Dryer sheet, softener, liquid. The only thing that doesn't show up as attaching to anything because it's not found in my store, but I did see a coupon for a flings, or not the flings, for the scent booster, so I believe there's a digital coupon for that as well. Right now, a super easy, no coupon needed deal is on the Tide Simply products. They are on sale for $9. We also have a 4 for $10 going on, so the best products to grab are the Snuggle and the All products. So the All has a 75-cent. This specific Snuggle Super Fresh has 75 cents on Ibotta. The Snuggle Regular has 75 cents on Ibotta. And the Snuggle Super Fresh Softener also has 75 cents on Ibotta. Your account may differ. We do also have the Purex Liquid or the Purex Packs, part of the 4 for $10. I just don't have any rebates or coupons to make worth grabbing those products. We have a super hot deal on Venus Gillette non-disposable razors. It's not shown on the tag, but it is part of the ad. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab, depending on what coupons you have, but these are coupons everyone has, so this deal anyone can do. We're going to grab a Venus Gillette razor for the women's that are $9.99. Then we're going to come grab a men's Gillette razor for $9.99, part of that promotion. So these would be the two products I'm going to grab. My total will be $19.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the men's razor and a $3 digital coupon for the women's razor. So that means we'll be left to pay $13.98 at the register, but we'll get the $10 register reward for buying two, making them both $3.98. So for today, I'm going to break it up into two transactions. I only have one register reward for my bigger transaction. In the store, I'm allowed to use two of them. So since I have plenty of Walgreens cash, I'm going to do this deal out of pocket, or with the Walgreens cash to earn the $10 register reward to use into this transaction, so my out-of-pocket will be lower for this one as well. All right, we're back in from checkout, and checkout went a-okay. Actually went better than I expected. So I did the 2 transactions like I told you guys I was gonna do. I need to be more mindful when I'm doing my transactions. Lately I've just been kind of like, since the store is like really picky, I've just been not paying attention to my out-of-pocket more than I should be, especially as a role model for you guys. Essentially, I should be paying a lot more attention to my out-of-pocket and everything. So yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, just lost my train of thought. Anyway, so the first transaction I did the 2 razors, right? And it went better than I expected. So they both rang in for $9.99. I had a $5 only for you digital coupon for one of the razors. Now, when I looked through my only for you coupons and everything, I only saw like a $7 one that didn't attach to anything. So I don't know where this $5 one came from. I'm not mad. I'll take the $2 extra off. So yeah, so it made my total $11.98. I did roll $10 in Walgreens cash, so I only paid $1.98, and I did get that $10 register reward. Before we hop into the next transaction, so last week I didn't get one of my register rewards to print, and I tried submitting to the Catalina form that I always, like, not always, but I have it pinned down below when I remember. But for some reason it wouldn't say, it would give me an error and wouldn't save my data, so I could never submit the form. Have any of y'all had that happen? Because I don't remember if I've had that happen or not. So I hopped on to customer service, and they're like, well, Catalina's not down. And I'm like, I can literally give you a screenshot where it's not letting it go through. I don't know what else to do. So the guy for customer service, they were kind of rude, but eventually they did give me the Walgreens cash instead. I would have rather have the register reward, to be quite honest, but I'll take what I can get. Anyway, second transaction. So the Gain, the Dove, Colgate, and the L'Oreal. So as you can see, that's everything I grabbed. And then down here, we have the $1.50 off of each for the L'Oreal for the store coupon. That's how it shows up and where it'll show up next to the products itself. So when you do store coupons, if you don't see it down below with your other coupons, that's where you're gonna look. Just a friendly reminder. Then I did roll the $10 register reward from the first transaction, and then I had an $8 register reward, so I hit my limit of 2 at the store, but that's fine. They were both higher value, so I was okay with that. So for digital coupons, we had a $4 for the Colgate, $4 for the Dove, $3 for the Gain, $3 for the other Gain, and then the $3 manufacturer coupon for the L'Oreal. So all the digital coupons did come off. So that means that my out-of-pocket for this deal was $11.98. Ironic, they're both the same. So obviously I can't use Walgreens cash on this one because I was trying to do my spend booster, spend 45, get 10. So I did hit that spend of that $45. For all products, my total was like $46 or $47 at, not including that $3 for that store coupon that came off. Otherwise I would have had like $49 or $50 worth of products. Then I did get the $10 in Walgreens cash, so everything worked out perfectly. And then for register rewards, I haven't checked these to be quite honest. I forgot about these. We got the $5 for the Colgate. We got the $5 for Dove. Yeah, the Dove. Yay, we got all 3 of them. and then the $4 for the Gain. And unfortunately, the Gain one only lasts a week, but that's okay. I'll hopefully remember to use it. I've been writing these, obviously, since I do social media and posting. I try to organize myself and have one of those planners. So I actually write down if this is expiring. So this one's expiring on the 26th. I've learned to write it down on my calendar or my planner. That way, like when I'm looking at it, I can see it. So if you guys aren't getting used to the new ones that expire a lot faster, I would write it down somewhere that you look at like every day. If you look at your phone calendar, write it in your phone, or if you have I don't know, like besides like an actual calendar, or like just like a to-do list, a grocery list, right there. Like you'll see it all the time. That way you're not letting them expire, because that is literally the worst feeling, because it feels like you're throwing money down the drain. And I hate that feeling, because I had to do that not too long ago because I totally forgot about one and it didn't even last a week. I think it was only $3. Be quite like $3. So I mean, it wasn't quite a lot, but some of these, like the $10 one, that the one for the razors was the newer style, so that one wouldn't have lasted long either. Probably like a week. That seems like the average time that they're usually good for. So you don't want to waste those, because that's not good. Anyway, guys, now that I'm done ranting, sorry about that, but thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.